guys, my name is Ayman Mubashir. Today I will show you how to make a scratch game. Basically, the idea of my scratch game is a ping pong game, but it must be played by two people. So let's start making it. As you can see, it's sprite 1 or default cat. Just click on delete, okay? Now we will click on choose a sprite. Search PAD and select the paddle sprite, okay? Now, as you can see here, it says direction. Select the direction to be 0, so it's facing upward, okay? Let's it here. Now, we will choose a backdrop. So click on backdrop and go to the backdrops. Now we will actually paint, not choose, sorry. So click on the rectangle thing. Now select on fill and do a bluish fill like so. Hold down, sorry, just draw like so. Pretty nice. Now I want it to be a little fancy. Okay, so to do that I will click on the fill again and select a greenish fill. Let's see. Okay, just like so. Now I will hold, no, sorry, not hold, just draw it. Okay, like so. Just click on the outline and select it to be blank like so. Now click on the mouse, put this somewhere here, a little here. Like so. Now place the paddle here. Okay, now one more thing, go to the backdrops again, select the rectangle again, select the outline to be blank like so, and select the fill to be a yellowish color, just like so. Okay, now draw like so, and maybe I will set this a little to the back. Just use the arrow keys. Okay, this is fine as well as perfect. Now click on paddle, then click on the code. We'll start coding. So first of all, go to the events. Now we will drag a when the green flag is clicked. I'll make it a little bigger so that you can see. So when the green flag is clicked, let's go to controls. We will drag a forever block so it repeats on forever. Then we will drag an if then block. Okay, now let's go to sensing and drag a key space pressed. Okay, click on space and do the up arrow key pressed. Then let's go to motion. After that we will change our y by something like -5. Make sure it's negative, not positive. Now let's go to controls again. This time we will drag an if then block. Now let's go to sensing and drag a key space pressed. Just click on space and do the down arrow. If the down arrow key is being pressed, then let's go to the motion. Okay, then change y by just do 5. Okay, so we will full screen to see this. Click the up arrow. Oh, as you can see, it just messed up like so. Now I just full screen out. So set this here, just like so. Hopefully it should now work. Full screen, hold on the up arrow like so, down arrow like so. Now next thing, just stop this. I want that when the green flag is being clicked, we will go to X and Y this position, alright? Plus we will point in direction, click on 90 and just select 0. And yeah, now go here, click on the right side of your mouse and just click on duplicate. Okay, and now instead of all the similar codes, we will just change some. For example, we will set this here. Okay, now just select it from the forever, and now just delete the go to XY and just select our new position, just like so. Okay, this should work pretty fine. And instead of the up and down arrow, click on the up arrow and do, let's see, we will do the A, and if the down arrow, instead of the down arrow, we will do S. Remember, you can always choose any type of key, just don't click on any, else it won't work. All right, so I will just full screen to see this. If I click on the A, it goes up, S down, up, down, down, just like so. As you can see, it is becoming an interesting game. Sorry. Now the last thing, our ball. So just click on choose a sprite, and we will choose the ball sprite. All right. Now I just want a little bit more design to our backdrop. So just click on backdrops and click on backdrops. Now click on the line and select the outline to be red. Sorry, a dark green color, like so. Now select the outline to be something like 4. Hold down the shift button. Okay, and draw. As you can see, it has appeared here. Now hold down the shift button again and draw from here, just like so. Okay, now let's go inside the code. Then go to the variables and select make a new variable. Sorry, and name the variable as score, and just do space 1. It is very crucial. Okay, now click on OK. Now we will make another variable, call this as core. Click on space and do number 2. Okay, now we will just double click on score number 1, double click on score number 2. Okay, then set it here and set this here, just like so. Okay, now next thing, let's go inside the ball sprite and start coding. Yeah, let's go to events. Now we will drag it when the green flag is clicked. Let's go to controls. Now we will drag a forever block. Now let's go inside the motion. We will forever move 10 steps, just like so. Okay, now let's go inside the now let's just go inside the controls category. We will drag an if then block. Okay, now let's go go to sensing and do if touching mouse pointer. Click on mouse pointer and do paddle number 1. Then let's go to motion. Then we will turn the right degrees 180. Okay, now let's go here. Click on the right side of your mouse, then just click on duplicate, like so. And now we'll put this here. Now just click on this and do paddle number 2. Okay, hopefully this should work. Plus, before we just try this out, when the green flag is clicked, we'll point in direction, click on 90 and do 45, like so. One more thing. We'll just put an if on edge bounce. Okay, and when the green flag is clicked, we will go to XY. Click on X and do 0, Y 0, like so. Hopefully it should work well. And if it is touching, it goes back. So click on A. So yeah, like so. Yeah, it has turned into an amazing as well as an interesting game. The last thing we want to code is our variable. Okay, so if touching paddle, let's go to variables. Then we will change my variable. Click on my variable and do score number 1. Okay, so it's these things. And if it is touching paddle number 2, then we will change my variable. Click on my variable and do score number 2 by 1. And when the green flag is clicked, we will set my variable to, click on my variable and do score number 1 to 0. Plus, when the green flag is again clicked, we will set my variable, click on my variable and do score number 2 to 0. Let's give it our final test. If this thing touches it, it shows 1, and if this is touching it, it shows 1. Now the last thing I want to code is that if it is touching the our edges or the boundaries, you might call it, then the game will automatically stop. So to do that, let's go go to the ball sprite. Now the last, go to the if then block, click on the right side of your mouse and duplicate this. Okay, now put this here. Okay, so if it is touching, just delete touching pedal number 2. Now let's go inside the sensing and do if touching color. Okay, then click on the pinky color, select the eyedropper tool and then do this color. Okay, if it is touching this color, then delete this thing. Now let's go to the controls, then we will stop everything. Similarly, we will click on the right side of your mouse, right side of our mouse, duplicate this. Now just click on color green and click on the eyedropper tool, then do a yellowish color. Hopefully it should work. I won't click it out. I won't click it out. And if I if I do click it like so, and if I do click it, then it just changes our variable by 1, and when the green flag is clicked, it's over. So guys, that's all I wanted to show in this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching my tutorials. And before we go, my little sister wants to say something.
Hello guys, if you like my brother's video, please like and subscribe to his video. Bye bye.
Yeah, bye bye.